Look at you. What a mess, huh? It's pathetic, isn't it? Broken by the world, left behind like some worthless trash. They really did a number on you, didn't they? All those people you trusted, the ones you thought would always have your back. Yeah, those people, they chewed you up, spit you out, and didn't even glance back. But here's the thing, they're watching you now. Oh, they're watching. They're waiting, hoping you'll stay down, praying you'll collapse under the weight of it all. You think they care? Nah, they're rooting for you to stay in the dirt because you rising? Oh, that terrifies them. When you get back up, you won't be the same. No, not even close. You'll become something more, something beyond what they can even imagine. Have you ever thought about that? How much power you hold just by existing? You, my friend, are a threat. That's why they broke you. They wanted to kill that fire burning inside you. They saw something in you, something that scared them. And they knew what you could become if you ever realized just how strong you really are. So, they tried to destroy you. They tried to bury you. But you know the saying? They tried to bury me, but they didn't know I was a seed. That's you, pal. You're not buried. You're planted. You're about to grow into something real, something massive. And when you do, oh, those same people who left you for dead will have no choice but to sit there and watch. Watch you rise. Watch you climb. Watch you turn into something they'll never be able to touch. You think it's over? You think it's done? Just because they hurt you? Just because they left scars? No, that's where you're wrong. Those scars, they're your battle marks, trophies from a war you survived. And the best part? They're permanent. Wear them with pride. See, you've been looking at it all wrong. You think you're broken. No, you're rebuilding. You're not the same person anymore. You're becoming something better, something harder to break. Ever broken a bone? You know it heals stronger, right? That's you now. Your spirit, your heart. They're fractured, sure, but they're coming back tougher, more resilient. And guess what? God's watching you. He's not going to let this go unnoticed. He's cooking up something special for you. Ever heard the saying, he'll rebuild you in front of the people who broke you? That's not just a phrase. That's reality. You think he's going to let them win? Not a chance. He's going to turn your pain into power, your loss into fuel. Piece by piece, he'll rebuild you, right out in the open for everyone to see. And when he does, oh man, they're going to choke on their regret, their jealousy. You're going to rise, stronger, wiser, tougher. And those people who thought they'd won, they'll have to sit and watch as you become everything they tried to destroy. So what's it gonna be? You're gonna sit here and rot? Let them win? Or are you going to stand up, dust off the dirt, and let God work his magic? Masterpieces aren't painted overnight, you know. This kind of rebuild takes time. You've been through hell, but that fire, it's what's forging you, making you untouchable, unstoppable. Yeah, it hurts. It's gonna hurt for a while, but that's the process, baby. No diamonds without pressure, no strength without struggle. The world's gonna keep coming at you, trying to knock you down again. But once you've been through this, nothing, and I mean nothing, will ever break you again. You're not a victim, you're a survivor. No, scratch that, you're a warrior. They thought they'd ended you. They thought they'd had the last laugh. But the joke's on them. All they did was light a fire in you. A fire so bright it'll blind them. You're going to rise. And when you do, you'll be untouchable. They'll see. They'll all see. God's not just rebuilding you. He's elevating you. Higher than you've ever been. And when you stand there, renewed, reborn, they'll have to live with the fact that they couldn't break you. That no matter how hard they tried, you were too strong to fall. People love to pretend they care, don't they? They'll smile, pat you on the back, say all the right things, but the moment things go south, poof, They vanish like smoke in the wind. That's just how it is. You can't trust anyone out here. Not really. All those friends were just waiting for you to slip, to push you off the edge. They thought they won when they saw you fall. Probably celebrated when you hit rock bottom. But what they didn't see coming? The comeback. You've heard it, right? The comeback is always stronger than the setback. That's you. You're the damn comeback story they'll talk about for years. The one who couldn't be erased, couldn't be broken. Here's the brutal truth. Not everyone's built for this. Most people break and stay broken, but you're different. You've got that fire inside you, the one that refuses to die. That's what makes you dangerous. That's what makes you unstoppable. God doesn't rebuild the weak. He rebuilds warriors. People who can take the hits and still get back up. And you're about to be rebuilt into something they'll regret ever messing with. They thought they buried you. What they didn't realize was you were just being prepared, sharpened, refined. Yeah, it's ugly. Yeah, it's brutal. But when you come out the other side, damn, you're gonna be something to fear.